Isang post at kwento ang ibinahagi ng nag-iisang anak ni Lea Salonga na si Nick Chen. Doon ay kinuwento niya ang breast removal surgery na kanyang ginawa noong September at naranasan niyang proseso ng paggaling. Mensahe ni Nicole, was able to finally get top surgery last September. Been waiting to heal enough to post a nice looking picture of myself. The healing process was brutal, but worth it. Dagdag pa ni Nick, ngayon ay hindi na siya mahihirapan pang itago ang kanyang dibdib tulad ng paggamit ng binder at ang epekto nito sa kanyang overall mental health. On a more serious note, it's done wonders for my gender dysphoria and overall mental health. Not having to wear a binder, be afraid of judgment, and being able to be shirtless has been one of the most gratifying things ever. I'm very grateful to be able to receive gender-affirming care, and I hope sharing and talking about my experiences helps show the importance of this kind of stuff. Happy Transgender Awareness Week, everyone! Sa bandang huli ay sinabi din niya na may pahintulot ang kanyang ina na si Lea Salonga at amang si Robert Chen sa nasabing breast removal surgery. Matatandang very open si Lea sa transition na nararanasan ng kanyang anak. Si Nicole Beverly Chen ay 19 years old na. Noong April 18, 2025, ilang mga procedure din ang ipinakita ni Nicole na kung saan ay meron siyang testosterone shots. Narito ang nasabing video at pagkukwento ni Nicole.
Hi! Thought I'd record me doing my shot for at least like once, just for the hell of it. So I sprayed alcohol on my hands. We sanitized our bottle of testosterone, which lasts a whole month, so we'll see why. And we got our different needles, and we got our syringe. There we go. So you're probably thinking, Nick, why the heck did you go for the injection kind? And there are probably other options. Well, I definitely would have gone for another option too, but they don't work as well or as fast, and they're not exactly like, they're not very convenient. Like you have to do it like the other option was like I have to do it every day, and I would have to what is it? I would have to, you know, sanitize. Like it just kind of would be super inconvenient. So injection it is. I was like, you can either do the super inconvenient thing that doesn't work as well, or you can just give yourself a shot every week. And I was like, you know what, I'll just do that. So what we're gonna do, this is the first needle, which is kind of beauty blog. This needle, anyway, it's bigger than the other one. This one doesn't go in me. This goes into the medicine. So we're gonna pull that away. Then we're gonna, and then the other mom, and then we're gonna go straight down into it. Boom. And then we're gonna want to hold it, flip it up right, and we're gonna, my dosage is around 0.25. So I have to only take up until 0.2 because the rest is in the syringe. Gotta get some of the air bubbles out. Okay.
Ayon kay Nick, nais din niyang maibahagi sa iba ang kanyang nararanasan. Kasama nito ang pag-celebrate ng Transgender Awareness Week. Matatanda ang November 2017 nang gulatin ni Jake Cyrus o dating Charis Pimpenko nang isa publiko niya ang pagsasailalim niya ng breast removal surgery noong March 2017. Sinabi din ni Jake noon na she feels complete after ng nasabing surgery. Si Nick Chen ay sumailalim sa female-to-male chest reconstruction surgery. Ayon naman sa mga balita, maaaring umabot sa $3,000 to $25,000 ang nasabing operasyon, depende kung saan ito gagawin. Sa US, abot ito ng $15,000 to $138,000 o 1 milyon hanggang 8 milyong piso. Sa interview kay Lea Salonga ng People magazine, doon ay kinuwento niya na malaking tulong ang theater sa pag-transition ng kanyang anak. Kwento ni Lea, 14 years old si Nicole nang ma-realize nito ang tungkol sa kanyang pagkatao. She didn't want my life to be as hard as it would be. This was the most ideal situation for me. It was rough. Ayon kay Lea, susuportahan niya ang kanyang anak sa kung anuman ang maging gusto nito para sa sarili. Musical theater is quite an unpredictable, sometimes think on your own feet type of art form. I've learned how to raise a child who is in their own being. I mean, there are obviously expectations. I'm glad this kid can cook and do his own laundry and doesn't forget to feed the cat. But the one thing I've learned is that you have to raise your child the way your child needs to be raised. Sinabi din ni Lea na ang gusto lamang ng magulang para sa anak ay ang maging successful ito at maramdaman ang kanilang suporta. As a parent, I want to set my child up for success. I want my child to feel safe and strong and ready to conquer the world of their own terms. Ayon naman kay Nick, minsan ay nararamdaman niya na nag-iisa siya pero sa tulong ng kanyang mga magulang ay hindi siya nahihirapan. Sometimes I feel alone but I'm not. It does really help to have people in your corner. Sa puntong ito ay inamin din ni Lea Salonga kung gaano siya ka-proud sa kanyang anak. Needless to say, I'm incredibly proud of this brave human as it takes immense courage to live and love as his authentic self. Sa ngayon ay ginagamit na ang son na word para sa anak ni Lea Salonga at ito nga ay tanggap na rin ng kanilang pamilya pati na rin ng mga kaibigan ni Lea sa teatro at pati na rin sa showbiz industry. Maraming mga netizen ang naka-appreciate sa pagiging honest ni Nicole at ang iba naman ay nagtatanong pa rin kung paano nga at ano ang naging dahilan ni Lea Salonga para tanggapin na ganoon ang kanyang anak. Matatandang sinabi na rin ni Lea Salonga na nais niyang lumaki si Nicole na kung saan ay aalagaan nila ito at susuportahan sa kung ano man ang gusto nitong gawin dahil maayos naman itong tao. Pero dahil marami nga ang naninibago at hindi pa rin sanay sa ganitong mga situation, nagmimistulang questionable pa rin sa iba ang transition na nangyari kay Nicole. Pero sa bandang huli, na kay Nicole pa rin ang desisyon kung ano ang gusto niyang taking landas para sa kanyang sarili. Well, ano po ang masasabi niyo sa kwento na ito? Please do not forget to like and share this video para malaman din ng iba at magbigay din sila ng komento para sa nasabing kwento na ipinahayag ng The Philippine Entertainment News.